And stocks in Europe, meanwhile, snapping a 7-day winning streak. Heading lower this morning, metal and mining companies, along with auto and bank stocks. Let's check in with Maitri. She's in London with all the ddetails.
Well, John, the story is a little different from the gains we saw in the last few days or even in Asia. Zeb was mentioning across the board, markets are down, like you said, and in Germany and the UK, we're lower after 8 straight days of gains. Now, we just had industrial new orders for the Eurozone out for a few minutes ago. They're down about 30% year on year. We saw a very small blip up in the FTSE after the news that the BOE unanimously voted to maintain the asset purchase program. But again, we're still in the red right now. Morgan Stanley advising its clients to sell into the rally that we had seen. Looks like others are following. Morgan Stanley basically saying that cyclical growth risks have diminished, but they've not disappeared. Now, leading the way lower right now, Barclays, BHP Billiton, Nokia, some of the names out there. BHP, for example, one of the biggest drags on the FTSE as well as the wider stock 600, is the world's biggest mining company, reporting a 10% drop in iron ore output as copper declines in London. Germany's largest steelmaker, ThyssenKrupp, also down today on lower metal prices, as is smaller competitor Salzgitter. Some other metals on their way lower, pushing the metals and miners into the biggest loser position. You've got lead, nickel and tin. Also want to make a quick mention of Barclays. That's down after the Telegraph reported the bank will need another $21 billion, and so will RBS for about $13.8 billion. John?
Pretty big numbers. Thanks, Maitri.